So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can restart the Steam without losing your hundreds of GB of games stored in your system. Now in order to reinstall the Steam before reinstalling the Steam, just simply go to the settings of the Steam. Inside the settings here you need to go to this option of storage, then click on the three dots right next to the storage drive that you have selected, then click on browse folder. Now once you click over there, a file will open and all this folder have all the games that you have downloaded. That might be a big file, some like a what 500 GB, 200 GB, depends on the game that you have downloaded. Just simply copy and paste these games over somewhere else, then delete the Steam and you can install the Steam again. Now once you install the Steam again, you will find this folder again installed. Now copy and paste all the files that are available in the Steam app that you have copied previously and paste it to the new Steam app folder, and you'll notice that your Steam have been reinstalled without losing your game files.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.